Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the document and use the View tab to show the navigation pane. Click Pages to see thumbnails and find any blank thumbnail pages. Press Ctrl+Shift+8 to reveal paragraph marks and hidden formatting symbols. Look for paragraph symbols, manual page breaks, and section breaks on the blank page. If you prefer keyboard navigation, use Ctrl+G, type \page, and press Enter to jump directly to the blank page. If the blank page shows only paragraph marks, select them and press Delete. For a manual page, click the break marker and press Delete to remove it. If text sits on the previous page, try selecting the paragraph and pressing backspace. Sometimes extra spacing triggers a blank page, so adjust bottom margins or remove extra paragraph spacing. After removing marks, recheck the navigation pane to ensure the blank thumbnail has disappeared. A next page section break can create a persistent blank page after content. Select the section break marker and press Delete, but no headers or footers may reflow. If a table extends to the page edge, reduce row height or add a small paragraph after the table, and then delete extra paragraphs. To preserve layout, change the section break type to continuous on the Layout tab and recheck pagination for the blank page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.